Today we are cleaning these couches right here. Well, oh my gosh. She's gonna show us how to do it. I did make a video earlier this year that we clean those couches with this thing. This right here. But it unfortunately crapped out on us. It was good while it lasted. It went from a 5-star to now a 2-star because it died on us too soon. But go check that video out if you're interested in that. It's pretty affordable. But we got a new piece of equipment, which is this. How much was it?
It was like $130-ish. Sorry.
So make sure you subscribe. But she's gonna show us how to use it, and then we're gonna see how it works on these couches. She already did a test sample on the footrest, and it worked pretty good. So let's get into it. All right, ready, action.
Okay, so I wait, sorry.
Take two.
Okay, so this is the new thing that we got. This is the solution tank. This is where the dirty, crappy water goes. For this, you just fill it up to the line. That's
And is it water and soap, or
yeah,
just...
it's water, and then you put like 1 ounce of the cleaner that came with it in it. Real
Okay.
easy.
Now, how does this thing work?
Comes out like that.
How does this work?
And then this, when you plug it in, it said that if it has like tough stains, it's good to like spray it and let it sit for a couple minutes before you start scrubbing it. And I like this because this spins when you turn it on. It's not plugged in yet, but, and then you go across it with it spinning, and then you push it down and it vacuums it up.
All right, demo.
Okay, I gotta plug it in. So spray, spin, and then suction.
Spray, spin, suck.
Get
Why are you
full.
moving it down there?
So I can just do this one right here.
Are you gonna do all of them?
Well, yeah, but I'm just gonna do one at a time. Because our couches are very dirty, I'm gonna let that sit for like a couple minutes, and then I'll use the scrubber on it, and then I'll suction it.
Okay.
While you wait, you can play Jenga.
All right.
Okay.
Your turn. Can't set it up.
I win. Okay.
Are you spazzing out?
Didn't know if I should turn it on yet. So
Yeah,
it's been
you're
a
good.
couple minutes. Now I'm gonna scrub it a little bit.
Alright, while she is doing that, takes a little while.
She'll hold them in her book, she'll read them
Alrighty, welcome back. It's been a little while. My wife had to clean the couches again because it's been like a couple weeks since we first filmed. So let me show you the cushions. Might be a little bit hard to see because the sun is currently on them, but alright, this is not doing it justice. See you in a second. Alrighty, I'm back. It's the next morning, and it's the morning. You got that nice sunlight coming in. Ooh, looks nice. Alrighty. The couch. Alright, so here we go for the couch. This is all dried up after washing it again yesterday. Looking pretty good. There's some water down here that my wife forgot to get. That's okay, we'll get it another time. So looking at it in person, it looks pretty good. This cushion right here actually looks like a little bit darker than the other ones. I'm not sure why that is, if it's dirty or it didn't just happen with the washer. It's kind of been like that I noticed. Maybe because someone sits in there more often than the other cushion. Like washing it didn't do anything for it. So overall, the washer is great. You can check the link in the bio if you want it. It's more compact than the old one. And yeah, that's about it. Link in bio, subscribe. And if you are interested, this is the Burrow Nomad Sectional. It's a pretty great couch. It's not my favorite couch, but I do recommend it for a certain type of sitting. If you want to find out more about this couch and all the details on it, check for this video or check out some of our other stuff already. I'll see you later. See you out there, and see you out there. Toodaloo.